This is everything you need to know to pour a small concrete slab. Hi, my name's Glenn. You may have a project in your yard that needs the support of a small concrete slab. Luckily enough, it's easy to do. Let's get into it. First off, you need to find the location where you would like the slab to go and how big the slab needs to be. A good tip here is to choose a location that's level. Now it's time to get rid of anything that's unstable like topsoil, grass and rocks. Next, construct a frame using 4 pieces of timber. Remember, the inside of the box is the same as the slab, so cut it longer than the spray line. For example, if it's 2 metres, it's 2 metres plus the thickness of your timber. Get your box square by measuring diagonally. Once it's in place, use a mash hammer to hammer in the pickets till it's level with the top of the box in. Double check the box is level and square, then screw on the pickets. Next, place in some crushed rock and compact it down the compactor. Once you've placed in the crushed rock, you can compact it down with a tamper. Or for bigger jobs, you can use a compactor. Insert the steel mesh and cut it to size using bolt cutters or an angle grinder. Place the steel into the box and use the bar chairs to keep it off the ground. Mix the concrete up on the wheelbarrow and pour it into place. Use a screed to flatten the concrete to the height of the box. Use a finishing trowel to trowel off the surface. Use an edger to smooth off the corners so when the box is removed you don't have a sharp edge. Now wait for the concrete to partially dry before moving to the next step. The slab will be ready when it's firm enough that you can't push your finger in, but you can see your fingerprint. And there you have it, a useful concrete slab ready for your next project. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.